Hello everyone, this is the video for class 7, Saurabh and Rustam. Now, before starting the story, I want to tell you certain things that I have not been giving too many videos, or we can say this is our first video for class 7 because you will have only 3 to 4 chapters in your unit test examination, and I don't think it will take much time for me to complete this, and I would also have that much faith in you that you would be also studying your books thoroughly. Now, this is a story of a king whose name was Rustam. He is a very known well warrior of Iran. Okay, he fought many battles and he never been defeated. His troops were fleeing away on hearing his name. मीन्स जितने भी वॉर्स होते थे उसमें अगर कोई उनका उस आर्मी का कोई भी आदमी अगर इसका नाम सुन लेता था तो पूरा ट्रूप ही वो लोग भाग जाता था बिकॉज दिस पर्सन इज टू मच वेल इक्विप्ड विथ हिज टैक्टिक्स and he had a beautiful wife. Her name was Tahmina. She is very intelligent and even she's too much fond of his husband Rustam. But one day what happened? One day she got the news that she is pregnant and she gave a birth to a male child. नाउ नॉर्मली हम लोग का क्या होता है, हम लोग बोलते हैं कि हर एक बच्चा चाहे वो लड़की हो या लड़का हो हमेशा अपने पापा के नक्शे कदम में चलना चाहिए बिकॉज इफ़ दैट फादर इज़ टू मच वेल इक्विप्ड और वी कैन से टू मच वेल एजुकेटेड पर्सन. But here in this case, Tahmina didn't wanted that because she didn't want to lose her boy because of this wars she is not close to his husband. That's why she didn't want her son to be away from him. So, sorry, from her. So she informed Rustam that he had a nipple-footed daughter. Okay. Now Rustam, as usual, he knew that he has a daughter as his what do we say, child. He is very brave and he always fought for Iran. He was the warrior of Iran. One day, Tahmina noticed that his son is just like his father. That means what this son is very much well equipped and he's just imitating like his father. He's very much well skilled with all his tactics that should be used during the war. So, to avoid any type of detachment from his son, she said to his son that she has informed his father that she had a girl child, and this news should not be given to his father until and unless what? Until and unless he forces to have so. मतलब जब तक रुस्तम उसे फोर्स ना करे सही बात बोलने में, या फिर ऐसा सिचुएशन ना आ जाए जब तक जहाँ पर उसे वो सच बात बोलना ही हो, तब तक ये बात रुस्तम को नहीं पता चलना चाहिए. So, as we know that every child has that much attraction towards his father or mother, whoever it is. So the son decided, that is Saurabh decided that he will take the stand against Iran so that he could fight with his father and can come in front of him. That's why what happened, he took here it is written that his mother tried her best to check him, but all in vain. Saurabh gathered a huge army of the Tatars and encamped at the border of Tehran against the Iranian army. That means he is now the opponent of whom? Rustam. So this is what happens, and one day he, being an enemy, he challenges his father, saying that if Rustam is well equipped and he has pride in his, what do we say, in his ability, then they have to make a duel so that the other armies or the other soldiers should not be harmed and a fruitful decision should come. That's why what happens, these two person takes Rustam takes the decision that they will have the challenge of warring with each other. But this has not been accepted by Rustam. Okay, he thought that it should not be done. But when Shah, here Shah means the, what do we say, as the head, or we can say the king of Iran. When king of Iran said, requested him, and he got irritated and accepted the challenge, he put one condition. What condition? He put it one condition written over here. See, he gave his consent to fight for Iran on the condition that he would fight unknown. Nobody should have been known that he was Rustam. Shah agreed to Rustam's proposal. The time, day, and the place was fixed for the duel. That means what? He said that he will fight only on one condition, that the opponent would not be knowing that he is the Rustam. He will not, he will be in this